If you're searching for a dependable projector for business meetings or classroom teaching, the focus usually comes down to three things: brightness, flexibility, and ease of use. The ViewSonic PS502W is built around those priorities. With 4,000 lumens of brightness, WXGA resolution, and a short throw design, it's clearly made for professional and educational spaces where performance matters every single day. Let's talk about brightness first. 4,000 lumens gives you the confidence to present in rooms where lights are on and windows aren't fully covered. In many offices and classrooms, controlling ambient light isn't always practical. This level of output ensures slides, charts, and documents remain clear and readable. Text looks crisp, and colors maintain their visibility even during daytime sessions. For teachers, trainers, and business professionals, that reliability is essential. The short throw capability is another major advantage. You can position the projector closer to the wall or projection surface while still achieving a large image size. That means fewer shadows when someone moves near the screen and less glare hitting the presenter's eyes. It also simplifies installation in compact rooms. Instead of running cables across long distances, you can keep everything clean and organized. WXGA resolution works especially well in professional settings. It matches common laptop outputs and presentation formats, so content displays properly without distortion. Spreadsheets, diagrams, and web-based applications look proportioned and easy to read. For education and office use, this resolution hits the sweet spot between clarity and cost-effectiveness. Connectivity is straightforward, which is exactly what you want in shared environments. HDMI allows quick and stable digital connections to laptops and other devices. Setup is fast, and switching presenters doesn't become a technical challenge. The USB Type-A port adds convenience, letting you power certain accessories or connect compatible hardware without extra adapters. In busy classrooms or meeting rooms, simplicity equals efficiency. Design-wise, the PS502W is practical and installation-friendly. It's compact enough for ceiling mounting and integrates easily into existing AV setups. The build feels focused on long-term reliability rather than flashy aesthetics. That makes sense for a projector intended to operate daily in professional environments. Lamp longevity and energy efficiency also play a big role in overall value. When a projector runs for several hours each day, maintenance costs can add up. A long lamp life reduces downtime and replacement frequency, making it more budget-friendly over time. For schools and businesses managing multiple rooms, this becomes an important consideration. In terms of image performance, clarity is the priority. Brightness remains consistent across the screen, and color reproduction supports clear visuals for educational videos and presentation graphics. While it's not positioned as a home theater device, it excels at its intended purpose, delivering sharp, visible content in well-lit rooms. The built-in speaker is sufficient for smaller spaces or quick sessions, but for larger lecture halls or conference rooms, pairing it with external audio equipment will enhance the overall experience. That flexibility allows you to scale the setup based on room size. Overall, this projector is about practicality and dependable performance. Strong brightness, flexible short throw installation, reliable connectivity, and professional-ready resolution combine to create a tool designed for productivity. If your goal is to improve presentations, lessons, or training sessions without unnecessary complexity, this model deserves serious consideration. To purchase the ViewSonic PS502W 4000 lumens WXGA short throw projector with HDMI and USB Type-A connectivity for business and education, visit the link provided in the description below.